Hello, it's James here, head coach at PCMA, the Property Conversion Mastery Academy. Here's a brutal truth about property development. 87% of developers who attempt scaling fail catastrophically. They master individual conversions, then watch their empires crumble when they try to grow. The average failure costs £180,000 in losses, destroyed reputations, and broken teams. The difference? Operational excellence through systematic business scaling. Most developers scale chaotically. Elite developers scale systematically. Which are you? At PCMA, we've cracked the code on systematic scaling through our three-pillar approach. First, done-for-you implementation. Not just teaching theory, we execute projects professionally for our fellows and ambassadors. Second, comprehensive education and tools. 6 proven strategies, advanced resources, personalized coaching that transforms ambitious professionals into elite developers. Third, peak performance integration. We fuse neuroscience, cognitive optimization, and execution discipline into every system. This isn't another property course. The Hidden Wealth Code, containing these exact frameworks, is provided free to accepted applicants. The scaling death spiral follows a predictable pattern. Quality deteriorates as attention spreads across multiple projects. Teams burn out from cognitive overload, making catastrophic decisions under pressure. Cash flow crises emerge when delayed completions create funding gaps. The stakes are massive. 87% of developers attempting scale without systems experience failure. The average loss exceeds £180,000. But the real cost includes destroyed relationships, damaged reputations, and years of recovery time. This isn't about individual project failure. This is about systematic business collapse. The difference between failure and success isn't luck or talent. It's having proven systems that can handle complexity without breaking. The Operational Excellence Framework contains 7 systematic methodologies that transform chaotic growth into predictable scaling. Phase 1. Foundation. We establish systems thinking, map current processes, and create performance baselines. Phase 2. Standardization. We build SOPs, implement quality controls, and develop team protocols. Phase 3. Optimization. We eliminate bottlenecks, automate workflows, and fine-tune performance. Phase 4. Scaling. We expand capacity while maintaining quality through sustainable growth systems. Each phase builds on the previous, creating compound improvements in efficiency, profitability, and scalability. This isn't theoretical. It's the exact roadmap used by our most successful fellows and ambassadors to systematically scale from single projects to portfolio empires. Systems thinking is the foundation of systematic scaling, built on 4 core principles. Interconnectedness. Every process affects every other process in your business ecosystem. Feedback loops. Actions create reactions that influence future actions. Understanding these loops prevents cascade failures. Leverage points. Small changes in key areas create massive downstream effects. We identify where tiny adjustments yield exponential improvements. Emergence. System behavior exceeds the sum of individual components when properly orchestrated. The process optimization cycle operationalizes these principles. Map current state, measure performance, analyze inefficiencies, redesign processes, implement changes, monitor results. This cycle transforms reactive problem-solving into proactive system enhancement, enabling sustainable scaling without operational breakdown. The Scalable Systems Framework rests on 4 foundation components that enable exponential growth. Standardized processes, documented, repeatable workflows that maintain quality at scale, eliminating the chaos that destroys growing businesses. Skilled people, right capabilities, clear roles, continuous development systems that scale human capacity alongside business growth. Supporting technology, integrated systems enabling efficiency and automation, technology that amplifies human capability rather than replacing judgment. strategic oversight, governance, metrics, and continuous improvement systems that maintain direction during rapid expansion. The operational systems design process transforms these components into practical implementation. Define system purpose, map architecture, create SOPs, design information flows, select enabling technology, establish governance and controls. This systematic approach prevents the common failure of organic growth, overwhelming operational capacity. The process excellence methodology provides a structured approach to improving operational processes for efficiency, quality, and scalability. Step 1. Select process using our priority matrix. Focus on high business impact processes with scalability constraints. Step 2. Analyze current state through detailed workflow mapping and bottleneck identification. Step 3. Identify improvement opportunities via root cause analysis of inefficiencies. Step 4. Design future. State optimized for efficiency, quality, and scalability. Step 5. Implement changes through systematic rollout with training and support. Step 6. Monitor and refine through continuous measurement and improvement. The process selection matrix prioritizes planning and approvals, financial management as high priority, with contractor management and quality assurance as medium priority. This systematic approach ensures optimization efforts deliver maximum business impact rather than random improvements. As businesses scale, cognitive demands increase dramatically, often overwhelming decision-making capacity. Cognitive load optimization prevents this breakdown through 3 strategies. Reduce extraneous load. Eliminate irrelevant information, streamline decision interfaces, remove cognitive distractions that waste mental energy. Manage intrinsic load. Break complex tasks into manageable chunks. Sequence learning progressively. Build foundational knowledge before advanced concepts. Optimize German load. Focus on pattern recognition. Build mental models, create knowledge schemas that accelerate future learning. The 3P framework integrates human motivation with operational systems. Purpose provides clear mission alignment and meaningful objectives. Process creates systematic workflows that reduce cognitive burden. Progress ensures visible advancement and continuous feedback loops. This integration prevents the burnout and poor decision-making that destroys scaling efforts. The Scalability Assessment Framework evaluates readiness across 7 critical dimensions: process maturity, people systems, technology integration, management systems, partner network, financial systems, and market position. Each dimension receives scoring that determines overall readiness for scaling phases. Our complete toolkit includes process mapping, templates for current and future state documentation, analysis tools for bottleneck identification and performance gap assessment, design resources including SOP templates and quality control checklists, and implementation support with change management guides and progress tracking systems. This comprehensive toolkit eliminates guesswork and provides step-by-step guidance for systematic scaling implementation. The assessment shows exactly where you stand and what needs attention before attempting growth, preventing premature scaling that leads to failure. The Operational Excellence Metrics Framework provides comprehensive performance measurement across growth phases. Strategic metrics track overall business health, annual revenue, project success rates, net profit margins that indicate long-term sustainability. Operational metrics monitor day-to-day performance, project duration, on-time completion rates, cost overrun percentages that predict scaling viability. Process metrics examine specific workflow efficiency, planning approval times, quality scores, rework incidents that identify optimization opportunities. The performance dialogue cycle transforms data into actionable insights through structured reviews, weekly operational assessments, monthly strategic discussions, quarterly deep dives. This systematic approach to measurement prevents the common scaling failure of losing visibility into performance as complexity increases. Data-driven decision-making becomes the foundation for sustained growth rather than reactive crisis management. Here's the stark reality of systematic scaling versus chaotic growth. Before implementation, 43% project success rate, £28,000 average over run per project, 4.2 months in delays, 67% team burnout rate, 12.3 quality issues per project. Annual profit loss, £184,000. After systematic implementation, 87% project success rate, £3,200 average over run, 0.7 months in delays, 8% team burnout rate, 1.4 quality issues per project. Annual profit gained, £312,000. Total impact, £496,000 annual improvement through systematic operational excellence implementation. This isn't theoretical. These are real numbers from developers who implemented these exact frameworks. The difference between success and failure isn't talent or market conditions. It's having systematic approaches that can handle complexity without breaking down. Your systematic scaling starts with 4 immediate steps. First, complete the readiness assessment to evaluate your current scalability across 7 key dimensions. Second, select your core optimization process using our priority matrix for maximum business impact. Third, build your implementation roadmap with clear phases and milestones. Fourth, deploy measurement systems with performance dialogue cycles. The complete frameworks, tools, and methodologies from this content are available free inside the Hidden Wealth Code course, provided at no cost to accepted applicants. Start with the Hidden Wealth Code application today. No cost for accepted candidates. Systematic scaling begins with systematic education. Your transformation starts now.